Power down the Huawei Nexus-6P smartphone. Eject the Nexus-6P Nano SIM card tray. Apply heat to the plastic panel located at the bottom of the Google phone. Insert the precision knife underneath the plastic panel and create enough space to fit a playing card. Work the playing card under the plastic panel and remove it from the Nexus-6P. Apply additional heat as needed. Now turn your attention to the tight-fitting glass panel at the top of the Google phone. Apply heat and then with the precision knife create enough space to fit a playing card. Carefully slide the playing card under the glass panel and peel it off. Apply additional heat as needed. With the fine-tip curved tweezers, remove the two tamper-evident seals. Remove the following 6 Phillips screws. Use the precision knife to create space and insert a plastic triangle opening tool. Use the triangle opening tool to release the clips and pop the Nexus-6P out of its rear enclosure. Remove the following Phillips screw, and then the metal bracket. Disconnect and remove the daughterboard interconnect cable. Detach the battery connector from the motherboard. The Nexus-6P 3.82 volt, 13.18 watt-hour lithium polycell battery is fiercely glued in. Use a combination of the triangle opening tool and a playing card to slice through the adhesive holding it down. and remove the supersized Nexus 6P battery.